right, let's talk about something that so many finance teams just dread. We're going to pull back the curtain on that hidden stressor at the end of every month, manually posting payroll.
So if you're in finance, does this question hit a little too close to home? You know that feeling, right? That frantic rush to close the books, and suddenly, accounting for payroll just brings everything to a grinding halt. It's such a common bottleneck, but here's the thing, it really doesn't have to be.
Let's just be honest and call this whole process what it is, a nightmare. And it's not just about the work itself. It's that high-stakes pressure that comes with it, especially when the clock is ticking and everyone's waiting on you to close the month.
And here's the manual grind. You know the drill. You export a file from one system, then you have to wrestle with a spreadsheet to get it formatted for another. Then you log in and you painstakingly, line by line, either upload or just retype everything. Every single step is fragile, it's so repetitive, and it's purely clerical work.
But you know, the tedium is really just the beginning of the problem. The real issue, the one that should keep you up at night, is the risk you're taking on with every single one of those manual entries. This isn't just an inefficiency, it's a major liability.
Think about it. Just one misaligned column, one incorrect account code, and your entire financial statement can get distorted. And that leads to some serious compliance headaches, frantic, expensive corrections, and that all too familiar stress that just delays the entire month-end close for everybody.
Okay, so how do you actually break this painful cycle? Well, the answer is automation. Specifically, with a tool that's designed to solve this exact problem, ZAPTEST.
ZAPTEST basically takes that 4-step manual grind we just talked about and just makes it obsolete. It captures the workflow just one time, and then it executes it perfectly every single time after that. It works across all your different systems, HR, payroll, accounting, you name it. It automatically handles all that painful reformatting and gives you an audit trail with real-time alerts. It literally turns hours of agonizing work into minutes.
But what does this transformation actually look like when it comes to results? I mean, what's the bottom line? Okay, this is where the story gets really compelling. Let's look at the numbers.
First up, an 85% reduction in the time you spend posting payroll. 85%. What used to take hours is now done in minutes. That frees up your team to do actual analysis, not just mind-numbing data entry.
Now, this next number might be the most powerful one of all, 0. With automation, you completely eliminate the risk of human error. No more incorrect codes, no more fat finger mistakes, and no more distorted financials. Just 0 errors.
And finally, here's the business case. Automating this one critical process can deliver up to a 10-fold return on your investment. I mean, come on. It's not just about saving time. It's about building a more accurate, a more compliant, and a way more efficient finance operation.
So the takeaway here is pretty clear. What seems like just a small, tedious task is actually a huge hidden risk for your company. Automating this bottleneck isn't just a nice-to-have improvement, it's a real strategic advantage. And it kind of makes you wonder, right? What other hidden bottlenecks are just waiting to be automated?